This gaming keyboard is so fast, it might just make you a pro. Meet the G515 RAPID TKL, an ultra-thin gaming keyboard designed for speed and precision. At just 22 millimeters tall, its low-profile design keeps your hands closer to the desk for quicker, less fatiguing gameplay. But the real magic is in its magnetic analog switches. You can customize each key's actuation point from as little as 0.1 millimeters up to 2.5 millimeters, perfect for fine-tuning your playstyle. Rapid trigger technology ensures your fastest inputs register with pixel-perfect accuracy, while dual actuation points and key priority settings prevent conflicting commands. Built with a stainless steel top plate, dampening layers, and pre-lubed switches, it's sturdy yet surprisingly quiet. All this in a compact 10-keyless design, customizable with G Hub software. If speed